Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the integer solution of this system of equations AB plus C is equal to 23 and AC plus B is equal to 24. Let's call it as equation number 1 and it as equation number 2. If we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we can write AC plus B from equation 2 and minus AB plus C, AB plus C is equal to 24 minus 23, or AC plus B minus AB, and plus times minus is minus, C is equal to 24 minus 23 is 1. Or rearranging left side, we can write AC minus this AB minus C and this plus B is equal to 1. Or taking common A from first two terms, we can write A times C minus B, and taking common negative 1 from last two terms, we can write 1 times C minus B is equal to 1. Or taking common C minus B, we can write C minus B times A minus this 1 is equal to 1 can be written as 1 times 1 or negative 1 times negative 1 for integer solutions. Now comparing left side and right side, we can write C minus B is equal to 1, then A minus 1 is equal to 1. So C minus B is equal to 1 and then A minus 1 is equal to 1. Or C minus B is equal to negative 1, then A minus 1 is equal to negative 1. So we can write C minus B is equal to negative 1 and then A minus 1 is equal to negative 1. Now from this equation, taking this negative 1 to right side, we can write A is equal to this 1 plus 1. So the value of A is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. And from this equation, C minus B is equal to 1, we can write C minus B is equal to 1. Or taking this B to right side, we will have C is equal to B plus 1. Now from equation 1, we have AB plus C is equal to 23, or subtracting the value of A and C, we can write the value of A is equal to 2 times B plus C is equal to B plus 1. So we can write B plus 1 is equal to 23. Or twice B plus B is 3B is equal to, taking this 1 to right side, we can write 23 minus 1. Or 3B is equal to 23 minus 1 is 22. Now divided both side by 3, we will have B is equal to 22 over 3. But 22 over 3 is not integer, so there is no integer solution. Again, we have C minus B is equal to negative 1 and A minus 1 is equal to negative 1. Now taking this negative 1 to right side, we can write a is equal to this 1 minus 1. So the value of a is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. And from here c minus b is equal to negative 1. We can write c minus b is equal to negative 1. Now taking this negative b to right side, we will have c is equal to b minus 1. Now from equation 1, we have ab plus c is equal to 23. Or subtracting the value of a and c here, we can write the value of a is equal to 0 times this b plus the value of c is equal to b minus 1. So b minus 1 is equal to 23. Or 0 times b is 0 plus b, and taking this 1 to right side, we can write 23 plus 1. Now 0 plus b is equal to b is equal to 23 plus 1 is 24. Now subtracting the value of b is equal to 24, in here we can write c is equal to b minus 1, or c is equal to the value of b is equal to 24 minus this 1. So the value of c is equal to 24 minus 1 is 23. So the value of a, b and c is a is equal to 0, b is equal to 24 and c is equal to 23. So this is the only integer solution of these equations. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.